For example, Java string class. Java string class provide a lot of methods to perform operation on star on string such as compare uppercase lowercase equals to split length replace compare to compare to compare to inter 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 substring etc. The Java lang string class implement serialization, comparable and character sequence interfaces. Interfaces and string in Java. The Java string is a immutable. What is a immutable string? Which means I cannot be changed whenever we change any string. A new instance is created. Or mutable. String you can use the string buffer and string builder classes. What is string in Java? What is string in Java? So let's discuss about what is string in Java. Generally, string is a sequence of characters. But in Java, string is an object that represent a sequence of characters. Java lang string class is used to creating a string object. There are two ways to creating strings. Object and by string literals. By new keyword. String literals. Java string literal is created by using double quotes for double quote. For example, string S1 is equal to character ABCD, a double inverted comma completed. This string can be defined through the object of next string, and you can initialize the string. The example of the string is equal to string S1 equal to character welcome. The string can be initialized. For example, compare uppercase. Create the object of the string, create a new string. String is equal to S3 equals to new string. If the string is already exist in the poll, a reference to the bolded instance. It return if the string does not exist. If return when the string does not exist. In the poll, a new string instance is created and placed in the poll. So our today's topic, string is and I will meet on our next video. Thank you so much.